Do you know a solar panel produces maximum power only when sunlight directly falls on it? So in this video, I will show you how to build a smart dual-axis solar trackers using Arduino, LDR sensors, servo motors, and an I2C LCD display. Components required. For this project, we need Arduino UNO servo motors, 4 LDR sensors, 4 resistors E2, C16x2 LCD buzzer, breadboard jumper wires solar panel mount, circuit diagram. Now let's understand the connections. Servo connections, horizontal servo, signal to D10 vertical, servo signal to D9 LDR connections, top left LDR to A2, top right LDR to A1, bottom left LDR to A3, bottom right LDR to A0, buzzer positive pin to D8, negative pin to GNDI, 2 CLCD connections, SDA to A4, SCL to A5, VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND. We need code LCD initialization. First, the code initializes the I2C LCD display. Liquid crystal underscore I2C LCD open parenthesis 0x27, 2 close parenthesis semicolon. This LCD shows tracking angles and system status. 2 servo motors are used, one for left-right movement, one for up-down movement. LDR. Working. The 4 LDR sensors detect sunlight intensity from different directions. Int top L equals analog read, LDR top L. Arduino compares all sensor values and decides where the sunlight is strongest. Automatic tracking. If sunlight intensity is higher on one side, the servo motor rotates toward that direction. This allows the solar panel to continuously follow the sun automatically. Low light mode. When there is very low light or nighttime, the tracker stops movement. If total light less than 250, the LCD shows low light and track hold mode. Buzzer alert. Whenever the solar tracker moves, the buzzer gives a short beep sound. Result. Now let's test the project. As you can see, the solar tracker automatically follows the light source. Both servo motors move smoothly. The LCD shows X and Y angles. The system stops automatically during low light conditions. This project improves solar panel efficiency and demonstrates smart renewable energy automation. Ending. If you liked this smart solar tracker project, then like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more amazing Arduino and electronics projects.